A photo exhibition to commemorate the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Australia and China is hosted in the Australian capital, Canberra, during the weekend. Organised by the Australia-China Economic and Cultural Promotions Inc. and Fair Canberra Inc., the exhibition, which runs from Friday to Sunday, features 120 photos showcasing exchanges between the two countries. Chinese ambassador to Australia Xiao Qian said at the event that the photo exhibition was part of the celebration for the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations between China and Australia, giving people an opportunity to review the past and prepare for an even better future. He believed that the relationship contributed to both countries' development. Jiang the Ren, president of the organizer Australia-China Economic and Cultural Promotions Inc., recognized the 50th anniversary as a great opportunity.
今年呢是中澳建交50周年，50周年对于任何人来说都是一个非常难得的机遇。我们的华人要起到中澳两国之间友谊的桥梁作用。